Wow, that's cheating. Di ako. That's Abi na lang ako. Napirog lang. Yes, right. Join ka na ba? Basta mag-join ka na mo. Ay, balik.
Nice.
Lord has made, I will rejoice and be glad in it. Oh, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Rejoice in the Lord. Rejoice in the Lord. This is the time that the Lord has made. Rejoice and be glad in it. Oh, this is the time that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Rejoice in the Lord. Rejoice in the Lord. This is the place that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Oh, this is the place that the Lord.
Hi guys, it's a Sunday here in the Philippines. Good morning everyone and welcome back here on Journey with Jean and Red. So I am now here somewhere in the mountain. I'm here at Busay. This is actually just near to one of the tourist spot here in Cebu, which we call Tops. It's just further there. They are just there. So I'm here. I'm invited here of a 34th church anniversary by my friends. So I came here to attend and I just finished helping preparing the food. So guys, that house during rain, I don't know how many years ago it collapsed here, so that's why it's like that. Well, actually, where they are renting right now in this building here, they are renting it here. It's actually not safe. See, it's actually not safe here because it might landslide again or might collapse, because when it keeps on raining, especially on the mountainside, so there's a big possibility that landslide will happen. So there was a landslide happen here. So in this building, actually where I'm standing right now, this used to be a restaurant. It's called that one. It's used to be a restaurant here before, and now it's been abandoned, and and the church are renting it here. I don't know how much they rent it for a month. So it's just along the road. This is actually going up. That's why I don't know if some of you have been here in Cebu, Philippines, and you went there to Tops. It's located here in Busay. Here you can see the view is most like the city. It's very small. And then from the orphanage you can see the city very close.
Pangayon ni po ni tita. Tita, soft drinks ko no.
And you know what, guys? The food they brought here is it's potluck. So that means to say the church member, each one of them, they bring food, rice or whatever. So we have honey rice here. This is chicken. I'm the one who sliced this, guys. This one is wow, chop suey. Lamian nyo, gulay. I'm wondering what is this. Ay, barko.
Oh, bilao.
Ah. They have very big banana here, oh. Pakuwas lang yun, eh. Oh, look at this one, guys. And there's a bee.
Pastor Jab, okay ra na gisiyon ang plastic ani? Ha, nakay tuminan.
Okay ra, basta ang tupperware lang di gisiyon, te.
Abli ba sura imo man gilubo?
Kung ano na lang natin, okay ra makuno gisiyon. Chicken fingers. Get spaghetti and they have souvenirs. Carbonara. They have carbonara, spaghetti, fried chicken, lechon manok.
Iyo ko Bisaya ka manok.
Ah,
Kuan ya dugo na ko ba?
amonite, native chicken. Wow, they have native chicken here. Lupad yun tani ron.
Nagbisaya ko
Wow,
kanang
this is native chicken, guys.
Kami binato ko
Lami
lang
tayo
tanong
na.
ko nga murag adubo ninyo kuan kami ayo.
Meron spaghetti ah.
Bites na lang, oy.
Murag padung.
Guys, it's eating time.
Do pala ko gatag sa mga plato.
Okay.
Para ba na chop dong?
Banana na to ang yan.
We have shrimp here. Wow, this is called bilao. Chicken, pork belly, lumpia, and
Uy, unya na may pakita pa na naman.
oh, parang kakita
You got already pop. You have. Pwede ang kuha na. Ato na ni, yung kuha na. Ang kuha pa. Ikaw lang. Ikaw lang ate. Sige na. Ang gusto. Okay, pwede sa break. Salamat yung pagkaon. Ginoo na ang pagkasawaan ni Kautuhon, Lord. Panalangin ni Lord. Dugang tabas sa among lawas, Lord. Amen.
oh, paday.
That's it.
Ito! Ay, di tayo, mamahin. The vote is sinking, pre. Sorry. Sige. The vote is sinking. Group yourself into 20. Hoy, basta malakas yung 20. Disqualify na mo. Kari ba daw? sila ka mo. Balik! The boat is sinking! Group yourself into... 9!
9, paghihapog 9, paghihapog 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kilos up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Tapos busy. Pag pili mo kung saan yung matangtang. 9 mo ni. 10 mo ni. 1, 2, 6, 8, balik. Last. Basta mo na to. Sige. The boat is sinking. Drop yourself into 7.
So, sakto na mo. Ayaw sa mag-nervyos. Oh, wala pa gani. So guys, that would be all for today's video, and thank you once again for watching my videos. Bye bye everyone. Please take care.